Welcome to amazingness, my friends. It's not every day that Alfred Montaner gets greeted by a full rainbow right over Haulover Inlet, guys. It's a sign. So I don't know. It's not the best day to be out on the water, guys. This is your first warning coming out of Haulover. Wait for it. Well, my friends, my name is Alfred Montaner, and I didn't expect this to happen. Not on a windy, really treacherous day like today, but the inlet is not bad right now, but out in open ocean, guys, it is absolutely terrible. I do expect a couple of humblings that good old Mother Nature is gonna make some of these boats turn around, but I'll tell you what, this is the first boat I've seen, and I'm here early morning. So this is gonna be wild. They're gonna quickly realize that this might be a pretty epic mistake. And we'll follow them here for a minute. Let's see how wild it's gonna get out there. So you see, this is gonna be a chilling reminder of what Mother Nature does, guys. Now, there'll definitely be a couple rogue waves that probably give them a heads up, like, hey, you're making an epic mistake here. You know this, right? Look, you see how the waves are breaking all the way back there? Oh boy. I wouldn't do it. Not unless I had to, like, you know? Oh boy, you see they're working right over there now. Well, that wasn't a long trip. If the spellbound is coming in, if that's the spellbound, guys, there's two boats that came out today, and this is one of them. They just closed the jetty, so I have to actually film. Wow, look at this. I have to film on the beach. Luckily, we're equipped for situations and scenarios like this, and I don't know, we'll see. I honestly, guys, it would not be very smart for anybody to come out of here in this. Obviously, this is a well-trained charter captain. He's a pretty salty guy, so he knows what to do coming in, and he's in a big boat, and he's still gonna have a little bit of issues. Now, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit so you guys have the camera never does it justice of what's really going on. I guess maybe if I zoom out, you guys can see some of the. Well, yeah, look at those waves, bro. Look at that. Look at this, man. Look at this, guys. That hits your boat, you're gonna get your ass handed to you. Now, what would be the alternative, right? For a captain like this, these guys were out maybe less than an hour. The other guys that were on the smaller boat, dude, I hope those guys don't end up on the news. They haven't come back. Or worst case scenario, since they were going south, they can probably go in through Government Cut and then loop around if they want to avoid all this craziness. Look at him, he's gonna get lost in the waves. That's a big boat, guys. Watch, he's gonna get lost in the waves. See, right here is when it starts getting a little thick. This little section right here. The wind is coming towards us, all right? So you guys have an idea what he's doing. He's moving it nice. He's moving it nice. But that's it. Yeah, he's calling it a day. You know, the crazy thing is, how crazy is it? That this guy's probably happy to see Haulover, because Haulover right now is not it's not bad. The current's coming in. Smart move, Captain. Smart move. Here's the thing. Captain had to make a decision. Captain had to make a decision. And the decision was, am I gonna put my guest through a chit show on a day that's just treacherous? I wouldn't be surprised if they said, hey guys, we tried, I want to reimburse your money, I can't give you the experience you want. So all right, well, one came back, guys. We have one more to worry about, and I don't see anything out there. One down. Is this going to be round two? Is there going to be another humbling over here at Haulover Inlet? This is a big boy. Now, Spellbound just came back because it was that bad, and these guys have no idea what they want, so they're gonna get their ass handed to them, guys. Oh my goodness. Well, you can only warn so much, right? Right now Haulover is not where the situation is. The situation is when you go out of Haulover, that's when it starts getting wild. Oh man. This is where it's going to start getting good. If they go north, they're going to get shellacked. They have to go south. If they go north, they're going to get shellacked like oh my goodness, bro, what is this? Why do you put your customers through this? Well, at least he's going south. All right, well, we'll keep an eye on him. Hopefully he's, oh my goodness, dude. He's gonna, He's gonna be in the thick of it, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. Hold on a second. Wow. What the hell is that? All right, so one of the other charter boats, it took them maybe about 45 minutes to realize, hey, it's time to give the customers their money back. And to think that I saw a small center console come out of this weather earlier, absolutely insane to say the least. It's the Fenway Watermelon Thursday, baby. Watermelon Thursday, that is the Fenway. Wow, Fenway, let me tell you, this is a windy day. I wouldn't have done it. But listen, the captain is capable. The boat is capable, but I get it. Sometimes the only day that you can come fish is when you're here. The jetty is closed to fishermen, to tripods, to everybody. I'm actually filming on the beach right now. Oh man, let me tell you something. They're gonna have to all be ready to go and come back. Right now the inlet is not bad, guys. I'm telling you, the inlet is not bad. It's out there. It's blowing maybe 25 winds. And when this thing comes out, oh my goodness, it's gonna be a chit show for real. If anybody comes out, I mean, there'll be plenty of warning shots when you come out of under the haulover. You'll get a little reminder. Hey, listen, today's not the day to come out. But right now they're not getting any shots on. But once they pass this inlet, oh boy, everything changes, and it changes rapidly. Oh my. Look at this, dude. Wow, that is so nuts. Guys, let me tell you, it does not do it justice. What we're seeing, you'll see it now. You'll see once he starts coming out. The Windfinder app was reporting 6 and 7 footers today. All right, he's gonna start getting into the thick of it now. As soon as he gets a little further out, that's when it's gonna get really, really wild. Yeah, all these guys are gonna go south, because if they go north, they're gonna get shellacked. They'll either go straight out and then head south a little bit. But look at that, bro, look at that. It's gonna be a long day, my friends. The Lady Mitchell's going out now as well. Another charter boat that comes out of here, out of Haulover Park. Look, they have no idea. Right now, they're having a ball. Wait until half an hour passes. I want to get this. I want to get all the video of you guys recording your friends just throwing up everywhere. It is going to be a chit show, guys. Trust me when I tell you, on days like this, this is really, really, really bad weather to be out on the water. Now these are bigger boats, so look. The Finway's already starting to get hammered. Wait, watch. Look, the Finway's starting to get hammered. Look. The hammering is beginning. The onslaught, just little by little, and then it just starts breaking your customers down. Boom, boom. And they say, "Are you sure we're okay?" "Yeah, we're okay, but did you drink that Dramamine?" "Oh yeah, I drank it." "Great, don't worry about it. Listen, just throw up on on port, okay? Throw up on port side, all right?" Oh my. Well, you know what? I'm glad I at least am the only tripod here, guys, capturing all this incredible footage for you guys. Look at this. Look at the jetty. Watch the jetty. Look at this. My goodness, bro. Wait for it, wait. Just more and more. Just look at them back there. I'll tell you what, there's gonna be that one guy in that center console that thinks it's okay to go out today, and he is gonna get shellacked. And I'll be here to film it. You know, I mean, I don't want to be a D, but I'll zoom in on your face when you're screaming, "Ah!" I'm surprised I have yet to see murder hornets, right? So jet skiers, for those of you guys that don't watch my channel often, I call the jet skiers murder hornets. So when you see that term used, I'm basically talking about a jet ski. I see that Lady Mitchell. The Lady Mitchell is gonna start getting hammered right around here. Let's see. Guys, the camera is shaky because that's the wind. The wind is literally moving the tripod. Well, I hope I've been able to give you guys a good perspective of the day. We'll stick around, we'll stay here, and I don't know. We'll see what the day brings, guys. Be safe out on the water. Don't make a scene, and I'll tell you guys how soon these guys come back. I don't expect a lot of these guys to be out there in this. This is a good, oh wait, is that somebody coming in already? No. Wait, yeah, there's somebody coming in already. That's another victim. Wait, in the backdrop, look, the Finway is there. I have the Finway foreground. But in the background, there's already somebody coming in. Another one. Oh, you know what? Might as well. What do you got to do? You got nothing going on. Let's go ahead and see the shellacking. All right, guys. Well, listen up. You know I'm the early bird, right? But the most consistent channel here. Look, they're getting over here, but they just got here. That is the boat zone, okay? Remember, the jetty is closed, and because I want you to know where you can go get the actual footage of the entire day, because I don't stay here the entire day. There's nobody else here. Okay, you see that? Now, there are a couple boats still out there. I mean, can I even see them? Yeah. But yeah, so if you guys want to see the remainder of the day, check out the boat zone. They'll give you all this footage. Oh, look, let me get this shot. And look, you see? He's already on it. See that? And that's kind of like the channel who's here the most. Boat zone is, Alex has now a big boat that he's filming the sandbars, which is really cool content too. So check that out. You know, you guys have seen a lot of the stuff that they put on the river. Oh boy. I'm not taking that call. Everybody's wondering, who the hell called? This is not my wife, guys. If it were my wife, I'd be like, hi, honey. Everything is good over here in Miami. Oh boy. Yeah, it's the weekend and people are trying to persuade me to work when I'm working. What is this? All right, so there might be a possibility we lose this dinghy out here, guys. So if you see a derelict dinghy out there in the ocean, please give it back to this guy. Oh man, why do you do this to yourself, bro? Why do you do this to our dinghy, bro? We're gonna miss you, dinghy. Oh man. Right about now is when he starts reminding himself of the mistake that he has made. Guys, it does not translate on camera how crazy it is out there. Look at this thing, bro. Oh my goodness. Look at the waves. The waves are crashing. So I have the experience of being on this fleet. I wasn't on the Hurricane, but a very similar boat called the Mutreke, and I went out on a day that was essentially this rough. Obviously, my confidence in the boat was awesome because I saw what it was capable of. And I have that video on my channel. I'll try to link it to the end of this video. But these are the days. Oh man, there's a lot of people on that party boat, guys. That's what we would consider a party boat. And then the Kelly fleet is out of Haulover Park. So it's a very rough day to be out there. I would say definitely bring some Dramamine. And let's see who the captain is up there today. We can't really tell so much. But yeah, it's a very good fishing day. Days like this, for me, are days that we always catch fish. But I'll pass on this type of weather. Let's see how the Mutreke handles it. Let's go see who's on the. Obviously, the people who fish the most often always want to hit the back of the boat because that's where the fish. It's better fishing back there in the back of the boat. Now you can be on the sides and all that. They'll put you on fish, guys. They go into multiple spots based on the movement of how busy or slow things are. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Yeah, all the boats are gonna go south. guys are gonna get beat up big time. Just so you guys can get an idea of what's going on at the jetty. Mind you, they have the jetty closed off, but
the boat in the background, the water coming up.
it was great until you talked. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm just joking because I'm shooting video. Dude, I'm being sarcastic. It is a beautiful shot.
Our energies are going in different
Hey, listen, I was playing around.
I'm not upset.
All right.
Our energies are in different.
No, well, listen, I was filming the boat though. Our energies went different directions. I mean, I was being sarcastic. That sounded like sarcasm, right? Did, right?
It's all good.
Yeah, it's all good. I kind of feel bad now.
What?
I kind of feel bad now.
Look it over.
You know what it is though? What happens is they don't know that we're recording and we're actually commentating over what we're recording. And that's why I said that sarcastically.
Got it.
But I'm very open the way I film, so. But our energies went different, so.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, have a good one. My energy. Oh my goodness. You guys want to see who it was? Nah, I don't want to film them. I don't want to film them, but you know, our energies are going a different direction. Wait for it. Oh my goodness. Look, wait, hold on. Damn. I mean, guys, comment below if that was rude, but I guess maybe he thinks I'm a photographer and not a videographer. And damn, bro, that hurricane is getting shellacked out there. And I didn't feel bad about it, guys. I mean, if you can't take a joke, then you can't take a joke. His body language is kind of weird. Like, who this guy think he is? I'm gonna have to remind him, I'm the king all over. Get off my lawn. You guys are nosy as hell. Love the cheese. Watch, he's coming back. Let me see if he kind of figured it out. Hold on, wait for it. Oh no, now they're gonna get in my shot. Damn, this guy's doing it 2 for 1. Oh, I was zoomed in so much that he didn't get in it. But he literally walked in front of my shot. So this guy's doing it on purpose, dude. This guy's paid by the competition. Luckily, I was focusing on the hurricane. But yeah, he literally crossed right in front of my thing. Now I feel bad at all. Nothing. I'm gonna run out of battery, guys, before they come in. But I want to tell you guys that this clip will also be on the boat zone. He's right behind me. Wait for it. Oh man, did they lose the dinghy? That's the question. Oh my goodness, did they lose the dinghy? I hope not. My battery's gonna die, guys, before they come into the inlet. But like I said, this clip should be on the boat zone. Wait for it. Oh, he's pushing. Oh no, we're gonna lose it. We're gonna lose the shot. I know I'm terrorizing you guys, but it's literally gone. All my battery is gone. Will we get it for the last? Oh no, the married couple taking pictures with their baby. Wait for it. Well, you know what, guys? The dinghy is still there. Alfred Montaner making a scene as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Amazingness. That is what we do. Wow.